All right, so we have this function f of x defined as x over x plus 2. At what points x and y on the graph have the property such that the line tangent has slope 1/2? So our first job is to translate. Tangent slope equaling 1/2 is the same as saying we want f prime of x to equal 1/2. So if we know that's what's being asked, we now just need to find f prime, and then we can set it equal to 1/2. So I'm going to have to use the quotient rule because there's no way I'm cleaning this up. So my f prime of x is going to be low d high minus high d low. Draw the line, square the low. So that's going to be an x plus 2 minus x over an x plus 2 quantity squared, or just a 2 over an x plus 2 quantity squared. So I want when this thing equals 1/2, and that's what I'm going to solve for, right? So 2 over x plus 2 quantity squared equals 1/2. If I cross multiply, I get 4 equals x plus 2 quantity squared. And here's where the trap comes in. When you solve, you're going to take a square root. And when you write a square root, you write a plus or minus, because this inside could either be a 2, right, because 2 squared would give you 4, or it could be a -2, because -2 would definitely also give you a 4. So the trap is that this is a plus or minus 2. There are 2 possible answers, and a lot of people are going to miss one of them. So either x plus 2 is 2, in which case x is 0, or x plus 2 is -2, in which case x is -4, and that's how you get your 2 points. Now, you should be careful to double check and actually get your y values, right? Your f of x, the original f of x, was an x over an x plus 2. So in this case, my y is going to be 0 over 0 plus 2, so just 0, right? So that's the point 0, 0. And in this case, my y is going to be a -4 over a -2, so my y is a 2. So I get -4 comma 2, and that's C. The reason I would say that you should just be careful and actually find the y values is, what if there was a problem with like a vertical asymptote or something, and the graph didn't exist at that point? It's not really possible in this particular case, but you should just err on the side of caution and make sure that you have the right answer.